Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for your headphones Sony on your iOS device. You have to start by open App Store and now go to search. Click on search line and write Sony. Now search. And you should install this application. Select your region right here and then click I read and start. Agree. Agree. Ask not to track. Allow. Allow. Next. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!